Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you CapCut tutorial on blur. So here, import your clips, and please note that your clips need to be at least 2 seconds long for this edit. And then just go to effects, video effects, and go to basic and find the camera focus effect. The camera focus, okay, this one, and adjust the effect, adjust the speed and blur into 100, and go back, click on the check icon, and here just crop it like this so that your video will look like this, and copy the effects for all of your clips like this, and copy it again and place it aligned with the first one. So just okay, copy. I'm going to copy this one and place it aligned with the first one like this. Copy again like this, so the video will have like this effect, and then export the video. Okay, after you export the video, just click on done and start a new project and choose the video that you saved before, and in here separate the video into each clip. So here I'm going to click on split, split again, okay. After that, click on the video and click on speed, choose curve and select the flash in. Click on the check icon and do this for all of your clips. Speed, curve, and then flash in. Okay, so here is the final result. Okay guys, so that is how you can add the blur effect in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, thanks, comment, and subscribe our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.